Hello everyone, I'm Mike, and today we are going to take a small step beyond the basics. Instead of using AI just to get answers, we're going to look at how to use it to improve your thinking. I'll walk you through this slowly so you can follow along. Most people start using AI by asking questions and getting answers. That works, but it's also where a lot of people stall out. They get answers, but they don't always feel clearer. That's because AI can do more than just respond. It can think with you. Here's the shift to make. Instead of asking AI, what's the answer? Start asking, help me think this through. That small change unlocks much more of what AI can do. Now look at this here real quick. Here's our question. I'm interested in starting my own chimney cleaning business. What do I do next? Thinking with AI means you're not handing decisions over. You're using AI to help you see options, organize thoughts, and test assumptions, and even notice blind spots. You stay in charge, and AI just helps you slow down and see things more clearly. Let's try something here. I'm going to type in, should I change careers? And see what happens here. This kind of question puts AI in the position of deciding for you. That's not where AI is strongest. Okay, so this time we're going to approach this a little bit differently. I'm going to go ahead and paste my question. Help me think through the pros and cons of changing careers and point out things I might be overlooking. This question does something different. It invites AI to help you think and not decide. That's where AI becomes powerful. When you start asking very specific questions to go deeper, these questions turn AI into a second set of eyes. When you use AI this way, answers feel less final and more useful. You're not replacing your judgment, you're strengthening it. You don't have to do this perfectly, and you don't need special language or tricks. If you can explain your thinking, AI can help you improve it. And that's it. Thank you for joining me today on Fatherly AI. If this felt easier than you expected, well, that's the point. And if this video helped, take a second to like it or subscribe to the channel. I post simple, practical AI walkthroughs just like this for everyday life.